Oh man, I love having a lightweight car. The perks of owning a lightweight car. Couldn't do this in Mustang, I tell you that for sure. Alright, so next we're going to check the vacuum lines and see if there's any holes in them, or check for any cracks or anything like that. Anything that could be making me lose power or pressure. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not sure if anybody guys know how to fix this problem. So when I try to tighten this, it just spins in place and it pushes the strut up. Is there another way to do this? Like maybe getting a clamp holding this down? I don't know. I could be right. Washer fluid. Intact. Need a new spark plug, so I'll definitely get new spark plugs. Douche cat. The rest of the shit looks fine. So next we are going to check the EGR valve. So let's do that next. And if I believe, I think it's a 10. I could be wrong, but we are going to check to see if it is a 10. It's a 12. Come on. My car's a mess right now. Man, I ain't scared of anybody. I swear I got the fire on me. But I ain't scared of anybody. Alright, let's check, see if it's a 10. Oh, look at that, it is a 10. I'll be fucking damned. So let's grab the extension. Alright, found it. So now we're going to take both bolts off on the side of the EGR valve. There's two, I believe. There is one here, and I believe one here. Maybe two 10mm bolts. And here we go. I got a extended 10. So here we go. But here's the piece that I ripped out. We're replacing that today as well, after I get the starter out. I was trying to find my jack stands, but I can't find them, so looks like this is going to be a near-death experience kind of day. This is going to be fun. To replace your starter, you're really going to need a 13mm with an extension. Apparently, I'm missing one. I couldn't find it. It fell in my fucking engine bay. So, I'm going to have fun time looking for that later. But yeah, you just need a 13mm, an extension, and a light if you want to see into your vehicle. Don't do that. I don't have a jack stands apparently. I had like 3 of them, and they just went missing. So, it's crazy. So, yeah. We're going to get to the starter, which is over here, and I'll show you guys. So, as you guys can tell, this is a brand new fucking starter. And, apparently these go out really easily, so I'm just going to replace it. Looks like there is some corrosion on the piece. Sorry, this right here looks really sketch. But yeah, we're gonna be replacing the starter that's right there. The 13mm bolt is that one right there, the top one, and the other one is going to be on top right there. And that's the bolt we're gonna be trying to get into. So yeah, let's get this fucking started. I think that is a 10. This right here is a 13. The one goes in the positive negative is a 13. So I think that's a 10. I'm about to find out. Alright, so the starter that I just got doesn't fucking fit apparently, even though it says it does. The holes do not match up, as you guys can tell. Ah, fuck me, bro. It's great. This is awesome. Oh, fuck, that's heavy.
Okay, now I'm cooking with the gas.
That sucks. Okay, so you guys don't know I'm fucking stopping because I am being swarmed by fucking mosquitoes. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but they're literally all right here where I was. They're literally still there. I'm not sure if you guys can still see them, but there's a whole fucking bunch of them right here, and I'm being bit up like crazy. And I'm allergic, which is ironic. I live in Florida. I'm an outside kind of person. So I'm putting everything in the car right now, and then tomorrow morning I'll come out here, finish up, get the starter installed, and get the thing greased up. And yeah, but I'm stopping for tonight. Too many fucking mosquitoes, and I'm already being swarmed already as I'm making this video. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2 of the video, or just upload this to Instagram. Alright, so the problem that I'm having, just technical problems altogether, is that I'm trying to fish this through to the top. But the problem is every time I try to, and I end up hitting shit, that happens. The bolt falls off. I gotta redo it again. Falls off again. Gotta redo it again. Bolt falls off again. Gotta do it again. And I might just get some tape, some masking tape, just mask the fucking tape to this shit. It doesn't fall off. And masking tape will fall, it'll just come right off anyways, easily once I start turning the bolt and pulling off the thing. So I'm gonna see if that works. Cause I'm about to fucking lose my mind. This shit keeps fucking falling off. It's always this top bolt. Always this fucking top bolt when I have problems with this damn starter. Alright, I got masking tape on this fucking bolt. It's not gonna come off. Now, also because that is English. Also because that this is in mask bolt, it's gonna come off really easily when I pull on it. Here we go. Fucking full sentence. Having a stroke. Jesus fucking Christ. But yeah. And sorry if it gets hard for me to talk. I'm having tooth problems, so it kind of makes it difficult for me to talk sometimes, and sometimes I hit the spot where I'm talking and it hurts like hell. But yeah, I just gotta hold out until December 7th. Just gotta hold out until then. Fucking mosquitoes. It's too late, no one can stop me. How do you get rid of a body? Chop it up, do a little bit of karate, and do a 90 and sitting in a bag riding shotty. Such a good boy when I was 18, but I smoked alcohol and drank weed, and now my brain turned into baked beans. Don't be like me, it's fried. So to sum it up, I checked the EGR valve, shaked it, heard noise, so the EGR is good. There was this hose that hooks up to this. Hold on, if I can show you guys. The hose right there, that black hose, was not hooked up, so maybe that might have been a leak. I checked everything else is good. And I'm being swarmed by mosquitoes as I'm making this video. So I'm trying to finish this up, get everything closed up for the night, and be back to do this tomorrow morning. Because Jesus Christ. I'm gonna put the car. I'm really just chucking everything in here. And then come out here and finish this tomorrow. And I promised my mom I'd take the trash out for her. And I'm a man of my word. So I gotta go check out the trash. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.